Hello, we have 6 sets here. Right now, they are shown by listing their members. Our job is to write each one using words. That is called descriptive form. When we list things inside curly brackets, that is called roster form. But when we use a nice sentence to tell what is inside, that is called descriptive form. Let's learn how to do this for each set. Let's look at set A. We have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Can you see the pattern? Each number goes up by 2. These are all odd numbers and they are all less than 10. So we can say A is the set of odd natural numbers less than 10. That one sentence tells us exactly what is inside the set. We don't need to list every number. Now let's look at set B. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Each number goes up by 2 again, but this time they are all even numbers and they go from 2 up to 10. So we write B is the set of even natural numbers less than or equal to 10. We say less than or equal to because 10 is also in the set. Set C has 0, then plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, all the way to plus or minus 10. That little plus minus sign means we have both the positive and the negative number. So this set has negative 10 all the way up to positive 10. Those numbers are called integers. Integers are whole numbers that can be negative, 0 or positive. So we write C is the set of integers from negative 10 to 10. Now set D has letters A, I, O, U. Do you know these letters? Yes, these are the vowels of the English alphabet. Every other letter is called a consonant. So we write D is the set of vowels of the English alphabet. Short and sweet. That one sentence tells us all 5 letters. Set E looks a bit different. It uses math symbols. Let me read it for you. E is the set of all x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is less than or equal to 100. This is called set builder form. So E is just the counting numbers from 1 all the way to 100. We write E is the set of natural numbers less than or equal to 100. That means 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 100. Last one, set F says all is such that Y belongs to P. Here, P stands for the set of prime numbers. Prime numbers are special numbers that can only be split equally by 1 and themselves. So we write F is the set of all prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. These are numbers that only have 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Great job! Here are all 6 answers together. We looked at each set, found the pattern or the rule and wrote it as a nice sentence. That is descriptive form. You did amazing work today.